What are the three non-negotiable skills that you think are essential to growing your cleaning business?
People management and speaking with people. I have to deal with cleaning staff, technicians on a daily basis. I also am comfortable with sitting in a meeting with the CEO of a multi-company. So having good people skills at all levels is a must. And the best people I've seen and learned from, they've all had, they're people. They can speak with people all levels. Hard work is one. Obviously, cleaning is done generally early morning or in the evening. So having that work ethic, is quite easy especially when you get a little bigger and you've got staff that are out, doing bits and pieces for you, making sure they're supported. So you've got to have that work ethic. After a long day, sometimes what you want to do is, see someone jarring on a contract down the road, but you've got to be able to do that and stay consistent. The last one is just determination. In such a saturated industry, you've got to have a lot of no's before you get your yes. So just having, that determination just to keep going and not tell is something that will hold most business owners in good stead.